What's up guys? It's been a very long time. I haven't made a video since I sold the car. It's been probably a good 3 weeks. You know, maybe three or 4 weeks. I don't know. Sold it like Friday 3 weeks ago and I've just had no motivation to make videos. But I wanted to keep you guys updated because a lot of you guys, I had a few more subscribers than usual in the past month and a lot of views on those videos. And having all those views on all those videos, you know, it really shows how wonderful you guys are, like literally watching them and you know, supporting me and all that stuff. That motivates me the most. To have a video uploaded and have thousands and thousands of views instantly in a couple days or you know, or a couple weeks, it really makes me feel good that, you know, I should continue making videos. So you see I'm in the garage, it's quite empty, not much going on. I did do some cleaning, I did do some organizing. In the meantime, the S2000, I still got the S2000, is actually sitting outside. I've been driving it today, but the garage, empty, you know, no more ISF. It's kind of messy over there. If you noticed, I moved the shelves with all my detailing stuff over there. It used to be over here next to my door, but now I have it over there wedged in with the toolbox. It's pretty much dead space, and I just figured I'd put everything in that corner. You know, all the stuff I need will be in that corner and leave this opened because I want to make more videos in here and I want to keep this side a lot more open and clean, but obviously I'm not really doing a good job. Still in the works. Still got my carbon fiber side skirts that I was going to sell, but I'm just gonna keep them because this can go on any kind of car as long as it fits. Detailing stuff. Detailed a car last weekend, but I didn't document any of it. I just want to focus on getting that car done. I had one day to do it. Everything is just out of place. I just gotta spend the time to organize and clean everything. Toolbox and stuff's out of place. Refrigerator needs to be cleaned even though there's like barely anything in there. I bought an air compressor. Just makes things easier when I detail to, like, you know, dust off all the pads. Also I can, you know, use it for like air and air tools and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool. I bought it for like 40 bucks on clearance at Walmart, so it's a good deal. Vacuum. These are Dylan's stock rear tires that Jimmy was borrowing, but now that Jimmy has his wheels on, it's just sitting in my garage. Gotta clean up for him though. T37, still got them. Can't seem to let these go. I really like these a lot, and I know Dylan's been trying to get this from me. Everyone's been trying to get these from me, but you know, I work really hard for the money and I spent a lot of time and gas money to get these, and to me it's like I hustled to get these, and these are my dream wheels, especially in this color. I was trying to get some C28s in bronze as well, but it's just either too expensive or nobody wants to sell them, so maybe one day I'll get a set of C28s in bronze because I would love to have that. S2K seats still sitting here, so that means I got the Recaros in the car still. I want to get that fixed, but I don't want to spend freaking, you know, $800 something, $900 to get this reupholstered. It's just too much money, man. But I might throw this back in the car because, you know, daily driving with the Recaros is nice, but I'd rather just keep it all OEM and S2000, and these are OEM S2000 wheels. Another thing I want to talk about is, like, you can hear from my voice, I'm still kind of sick. I've gotten sick like last week, like early last week, and I've been sick for like a week and a half, and every day I wake up with a headache. I have like mucus and all that stuff. I don't know what's going on. Something's been going on in the southeast region, like some type of airborne sickness or something in the food. I've been hearing a lot of mixed things online, but you know, my friend Kyle, the one that bought my car, he got sick too. So I mean, something came from Florida after it came from Georgia, but I got it. It's still in my system. I'm trying to wash it out with a lot of water. I haven't really done much, and that's the main reason why. Just because I wasn't feeling good, and two, I have nothing to really make videos about, but I wanted to make a video today to update you guys on what's going on. Do I miss the car? I do miss the car. I miss driving it, but part of me kind of accepted the fact that it's gone, and I'm okay with that. I bought and sold a lot of cars in my years, and you know, every car I own is about 3 to 5 years I own each one, then I let it go. It's not a bad thing for me. Like, I think that's a long time to have a car, and although many people have cars for, you know, 10, 15, 20 years, you know, maybe because you bought your dream car from the beginning, and that's the reason why you can't let it go. I have dream cars too, you know, unrealistically, you know, like an RX-7, NSX, you know, Ferrari F40. I have dream cars. I even have dream cars of classic Japanese cars, you know, the Hakasuka Skyline, Kenmari Skyline, my old Celica that became a dream car, but when I had it, I didn't appreciate it. And that's a lot of things that people were assuming of me, that I wasn't appreciative of what I had. No, I appreciate the car, I just think it was time to let it go. But like for the Celica, I had it for like about a year, but I let it go because it wasn't running, and I just didn't have the money and motivation to get it running. So that's something I regret, because I wouldn't mind having one of those again now that I'm a lot older, you know, 4 years in the future. Not much going on. I still daily drive the XP. I still have the S2000. I don't have any means to sell it. A lot of people have been hitting me up trying to buy the S2000, but I told them, like, I give them a crazy price and they're already turned off by it, but that's okay with me because I don't want to sell it. I told them lowest I take is 12,000, but the only way you're gonna get that car from me is offer me like 15K, because it's more than what I paid, but the car itself is a very sought after car. On top of that, it's pretty much stock. It's originally white and it's really clean, no accidents. So, you know, it's just certain things, like it's a lot of people have cars that are low miles, or they just keep it in the garage and just drive it like twice a year. They end up flipping that car for like hundreds of thousands of dollars and no one says anything. But then I go ahead and want to sell a car for a couple $1,000s more than what I paid, and people just want to bat your eye out, and it's just retarded. If I'm seeing S2000 selling for like 60, you know, $70,000 online, yeah, with a little bit low miles, yeah, a little older, but like in gray or something like that, something like that's not really, you know, nice. It doesn't hurt for me to want a little more for my car because it's white and it's like original, and it's like, you know, the second year that it came out or whatever it is. And that's another thing I want to talk about too. People wanted to know how much I paid for the car. I've not once avoided it. If I could answer it on the spot or had the time to answer it, I would tell you guys. I asked for $20,000 for the car. I got $20,000. Kyle was nice enough to not haggle anything, and he wanted to pay what the price was. To me, that's very important because he didn't give me a hard time. He didn't try to get a steal from me. Like he understood that it was high mileage. He's seen literally the car from when I bought it to the day he picked it up. He watched all those videos, and I pretty much made a visual timestamp, a visual paper trail or video trail of the car. So it's not like he's buying like a piece of crap. Like, I appreciated that so much that I gave him a bunch of stuff on there that wasn't included in the original price. I wanted 20K stock, but I just felt like, you know, he's such a nice guy, and like I knew he was gonna take care of the car, and he really is a nice guy. I talk to him almost every day now. But I literally gave him a lot of parts on the car. I even bought him brand new headlights. That just shows that, you know, if someone's good to you, you be good to them, and then it's a big, you know, circle of life at that point. I got what I wanted, and yes, I might have lost some money in the parts, but either way, you know, he's happy, I'm happy, and we both move on. So yeah, you know, initially when I put my price up, you know, people were like not happy with it, or people were just wanting to make joke about it. Dude, act the way you want to act. I don't really care. I got my money. You know, and behind the scenes of all of this, you know, the deal that I had with Kyle, it was great. You know, like nothing wrong to say about him. He had nothing wrong to say about me. Like, we worked it out, and I presented the car as beautiful and clean as possible, and he loved it. Loved every bit of that car. He was happy with it, and I wasn't gonna cut any corners when it came down to selling that car. So yeah, so I have plans of buying another car. So I just haven't disclosed that with you guys yet on this channel. It's gonna be fun. I've been playing around with a lot of people asking for polls. What do you think it's gonna be? It's gonna be a Toyota, a Nissan, or Acura. And the only reason why I say that, because those are the cars I grew up wanting and loving, or in terms of the brand, right? So I'm not gonna be unrealistic and be like, what model and all that stuff. It's just the make, you know. And if you guys know anything about those three, you only think about the three cars that come into mind: Toyota Supra, Nissan Skyline, or Acura NSX. Three beautiful cars, three powerful supercars for their time. But I made a poll on this channel a couple weeks ago, and you guys all voted Toyota. Of course, most of my subscribers are Nissan and Toyota fans. But, you know, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna do an unveil on that, but I'm not sure when. Problem is, today is May 1st. I'm actually leaving next week to Hong Kong for 2 weeks. Traveling across the world to meet my girlfriend's family and having a little vacation for myself. I've been stuck up in this house for months, studying for my boards, making videos, and just downright being kind of miserable. I'll be honest with you, I've been very miserable lately, being home all the time. I was dreading this trip because I hate flying, but I have to think positive. It's gonna be a fun experience. I've never been to Hong Kong. I heard it was beautiful. My girlfriend's from Hong Kong. She's beautiful. So it's gonna be a very, very fun time. I'm gonna try to stay as positive as possible because sometimes I can be stuck in a little rut and just be a most like annoying, miserable person to be around. But I'm gonna enjoy myself for this trip. I think I need it, you know, after all this like stress. Hopefully when I come back, I'm gonna just grind out, make more videos for you guys. I want this channel to keep booming. My boy Pico, Sith Lord Soup, you know, I always shout him out, the guy with the black Z with the white wheels. He just hit 10K subscribers. Now, that's not really important because it's all about the views, it's all about the quality of videos. Like honestly, that's my boy. He makes some funny stuff. If you guys haven't subscribed to him yet, please go subscribe to him. Sith Lord Soup on YouTube. He's really cool, makes some funny videos. The video that he made actually blew up to like 100,000 views. And it's crazy because, you know, my Lexus, it blew up. So I was happy for him on that. But anyway, gonna make a video on the t-shirts because I want to start selling the t-shirts. I've just been sitting on them for a month or two now. And after I have it set up, whoever pays for them, please be patient. I don't know when I'm gonna go live with that because like I said, I'm going to Hong Kong for 2 weeks. I won't be back till like May 23rd. So maybe I'll wait until then to start selling the t-shirts. But I think it's gonna be a nice shirt for you guys to like rock around in or whatever, because you know, plain white t-shirt, F logo, KG logo in the tag so you won't see it, and then Mount Fuji on the back. And it's just a really nice shirt and it's white, so when you're outside it's not gonna burn through you and stuff because of the, you know, the UV rays and global warming and all that stuff. So whoever buys that shirt, I'm gonna be giving away some stuff to like the top 3 or top 5 people in a random, you know, thing that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be limited, about 25 shirts. I don't know, I didn't do the count yet, but I'm trying to make more. I hope you guys look forward to that. I want to start selling merchandise too. You know, I'm still gonna, if I can afford it, if you guys want to support me enough, I'll make more merchandise for the Lexus stuff. I mean, I do everything in-house. I don't reach out to someone to do it. So everything is like, it's me. And if you guys want more Lexus merch, I can look up something to get it done. More t-shirts, different ideas. Pitch something to me. We can work with something and I can make some t-shirts for you guys. Because who doesn't want shirts? Something unique too. So yeah, just in an empty garage, you know, some Ted Lopez type stuff. No books here, just insulation from the hot sun hitting the garage. But gonna end the video here. I hope you guys are still sticking around. I hope you guys are rewatching any of the old videos if you missed the Lexus. I hope you guys are happy about the future of this channel because the next car that I'm picking up is gonna be pretty goddamn cool. And just, man, stay tuned for that, all right? Peace.